Expo City in Dubai is buzzing with energy and some innovation. Whether you're thinking about moving there or investing, well, this is the right time. And honestly, with everything coming up in Expo City, and it's a very good time to get into investment. I mean, Emaar had launched their first ever project called Terra Heights in Expo City. And right now, we are at this stage, they have already launched in 4 buildings and this would be the last one. Yep, you heard me right. They have released 4 and it's entirely sold out. So if you have been thinking about it, then this project is for you. I mean, you wouldn't want to miss out on the opportunity, right? Alright, so why would you think investing in Expo City, that too now? Firstly, legacy of Expo 2020. Remember that huge event? Well, it's not just over and done with. The whole area is set to keep growing, bringing more businesses and boosting the economy. Number 2, business hub. You can soon see startup and tons of opportunities which will be popping up in this area. Number 3 has to be sustainable focus. That is, if you're a person who wants to live in the greenery, some eco-friendly environment, this is perfect for you. Awesome connectivity. I mean, you literally have a metro station called Expo 2020 right there. Number 5, Dubai Vision Alignment. The city is pushing hard towards tech, tourism and trade. I mean, Expo City is right in the middle of all this. Expo City isn't just about any business. It's going to hold global events, exhibitions and so many things. So people will keep coming. You'll have more visitors. That means demand on that area will be quite high. I mean, Dubai is all about sustainability and innovation. And Expo City is that place for you. Now, if you want to jump into your investment in Expo City, here are a few things that you'll have to keep in mind. Firstly, the budget and the financing. I mean, obviously, you need to see how much investment you're going to plan and make because we are talking about long-term right here. Secondly, developers. Pick those developers who have already name in the market. That can gain you a lot of return right there. Look, Expo City isn't just any real estate project. We're talking about future. What more we can expect from that city. I mean, you have the perfect location, the greenery is there, and tons of investment potential. It's going to be the center hub. I mean, imagine you'll soon have offices opening there. I mean, would you rather stay in a place which is close by, where you can go around easily, or pick a far place and then travel? So Expo City is the place for you. Whether you're looking for a long-term value or a great return, Expo City is perfect for you. And with the government backing it up big time, there's no better time to jump in. So why here? Expo City, the Expo 2020 metro station is right here. 15 minutes from Al Maktoum International Airport. It's 25 minutes to downtown, 30 minutes to Dubai Marina. Basically, you're connected to everything. Now let's talk about numbers. We're talking about average 7 to 13% depending if you're going for long or short-term rentals. Currently, the rents in Expo City is going up to 60 to 70,000 dirhams. So what's available? So you're getting 1-bedroom apartments with the starting price of 1.5 million. 2-bedroom apartment with a starting price of 2.2 million dirhams. Now, in the span of 5 years, Dubai has seen 15% on an average increase on the rentals. By the time this building is ready, imagine how much rental appreciation you're going to get. Living here is not just about the apartment, you're getting the top-notch amenities as well. You have the gym, the swimming pool, shops and restaurants right by your doorstep, and a smart tech for a better living experience. Expo City is built to be smart, connected, and a very sustainable place to live. It's going to be a hub for major companies. You'll have some of the amazing events that will be coming up, some cultural sport activities. All in all, you're looking at a great investment opportunity. Now, this was all about Terra Heights. If you're interested and do not want to miss out on this opportunity, then contact me on the number given below and I will catch you back in the next video.